Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change chat background on Viber. Maybe you want to personalize your chat experience and add a touch of your own style. So today I'm going to show you how to change chat background on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat for which you want to change the background. For example, I want to select this conversation, so simply tap on it. In this chat page, tap on the name of the contact. This will open a panel with various options. From this panel, tap on this background option. This will take you to the chat background settings. Here, you will see a variety of background options to choose from. You can browse through the available backgrounds and select the one that suits your preferences. Once you have found the desired background, tap on it to apply the change. The chat background will be updated immediately, and after that, you now have successfully changed the chat background on Viber. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change chat background on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change chat background on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.